Alright, so Hailey's going to show us how fast she can type. We have about 60 seconds on the clock. She's got typing.com open, and we're going to see her get to work. Alright, Hailey, how you feeling? You ready to do this?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see what you got.
Okay.
How many words can Hailey type in a minute? Watch out, Lily.
Okay. Honey, just my arms. Okay.
Now this thing is checking for accuracy, so that's what those little red blips are. "25 seconds left. Bam! 128, 96% accuracy. Dang. Hey, could you slow it down for us? We couldn't even see if your hands were even on the keyboard.